Sound check. And good morning, good evening, good afternoon, students and traders. This is Michael, the so-called FXFreedom, broadcasting you live on YouTube and other streaming platforms. And this is the professional Forex trading course 101, everybody. Hello, Wisdom. Wisdom is saying, I'm gaining strength here. Hello, Mike, how are you? Everybody, remember, trading is a learnable skill. There is a lot of information, a lot of text, and we're not going to spend a lot of time. Just remember, trading is a learnable skill when you learn in the correct way. And remember that you're going to graduate from this course and hopefully join the institutional course, everybody, once you have your chart set up and ready for trading, when you have a strategy in place, and number 3, you have a complete understanding on how this market works, so you can analyze the market and make an educated prediction. Risk disclaimer: these streams are not trading or investment advice. We are here to learn. For questions or homeworks, you have the email contact and the business contact, everybody. Now that being said, let's dive into charts. Any questions, everybody? Today we have market, so we are still in the module number 1. Module number 1, market structure and trends, and today we're going to talk about different market behaviors. Let me open J4X4 classes. Julius, you are the boss. Julius, you are the boss. I'm the humble servant, Julius. And everybody, Julius finished the Forex course 101 last year, and now it's in the advanced institutional trader. He's learning how how this business works, right? The business part, how we make money and everything. Homework, everybody. Try to identify trends from the monthly bands. Did anybody do the homework, everybody? Mike, did you do the homework? Wisdom, did you do the homework? Julius, did you do the homework, Julius? If you did the homework, type in the chat the currency pair and the trend. What do you think? Okay, and we said just try on the monthly. If the monthly it's easy, then try on the weekly. If weekly it's easy, try on the daily. Anyway, let's go AUD CAD monthly chart, right? Give it a second. Where is the chart? AUD CAD, there you go. So let's clone the chart, Let's clone the chart, AUD CAD, and out the text, out the text, out text, out text, out. Let's clean the chart a little bit, right? Okay, everybody. AUD CAD monthly chart. Is the trend up or down? Julius, yes I did. Congratulations, Julius. Hedge fund trader Wisdom, hedge fund trader Mike, hedge fund trader Julius. Is AUD CAD on the monthly chart trending up or down? Trading is a skill when you learn in the correct way. Now, today you're going to see why people lose money. Okay, everybody. Don't be shy, there is no right or wrong. Is AUD CAD monthly chart trending up or down? Are we in a downtrend or are we in an uptrend on AUD CAD monthly chart? Next questions. If you started charting your trend, highs and lows, starting from here, red arrow, is this correct or wrong? Julius says down. Jordanka says down. Everybody type in the chat, if you start charting your highs and lows from this red arrow, is this correct or not correct? What's the answer? Type in the chat, correct or not correct? Wisdom downtrend. Everybody, if you started charting your trend from the red arrow, would this be correct or was not correct? Mike, yes, I did the homework. Very good, excellent, Mike, tell us. Feel free, everybody, to type in the chat the currency pairs and the trends. Jordanka, so, well, it's black and white, not subject to interpretation, everybody. You know? Or if you start to charting your downtrend from here with the blue arrow, would this be wrong or would this be correct? If you started charting your uptrend from the green arrow, would this be correct or wrong? Trading is a learnable skill when you learn in the correct way. Everybody, between the red arrow, blue arrow and the green arrow, which one is the correct place to start charting the highs and lows, to start connecting the highs and lows, in order for us to spatially understand, are we in an uptrend or are we in a downtrend? Jordanka says maybe connected because it is the most current value in the past. Which one, the red, the blue, or the green, everybody? Don't be shy, we don't bite, we're here to learn. Type in the chat, what do you think? Which one is the correct one? The red, the blue, the green, or none of them? Wisdom, the red arrow. Today I'm going to save you tons of money, everybody. If you are willing to listen to me, today I'm going to save you tons of money. Thousands of millions, if you have deep pockets, millions of dollars or thousands of dollars or euros or reais. See everybody, Wisdom said the red arrow. Julius has a different perspective. Julius said, well, the blue arrow. Good news, bad news. What is the bad news? Some arrows are wrong. And if you are charting from the wrong arrow, not just you, me too, we are going to lose. Why is that, boss? Because we are going to understand the market in the wrong way. We would short a downtrend that's really not. Or we would buy an uptrend that's really not. Hedge fund trader Jordanka, hedge fund trader Mike, which arrow is correct? What do you think? And Shola, Clara, what do you think? Ala, if you're here, what arrow is correct? The red is wrong arrow. Anybody else? This is the good news. If you learn how to chart and learn about the market in the correct way, I don't want to say anything, I might be wrong. We are here to learn, everybody. Okay? Now, all of them are wrong. Okay? All of them are wrong. And here is the logic behind. Everybody, where is the text? Okay? Charting concept. Charting rule. Not a concept, charting rule. Everything that you see starts from the monthly bands. Freedom, I don't agree with you. You are feel free everybody to agree or disagree. I don't I really don't care. Makes sense? I'm not arrogant. I just my life is not going to change if you agree or disagree. Okay, all of them are wrong. Take a picture, print it out, charting rule. Everything that you see starts from the monthly bands. The Fibonacci's, the trend lines, the extension, retracement extension, the market waves, the Elliott waves, everybody, everything starts from the monthly bands. So all of those, you tricked us. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. This is my job here. Everybody, all the arrows were wrong. Okay. All the arrows are wrong, you know. You are not going to understand if you are in an uptrend or a downtrend. Okay. Everything that you see in here. Okay. It's in relationship with what started up in here. Okay, trend is a sequence. Let's write this down. Trend is a sequence. Okay, a trend is a sequence of highs and lows. Okay, now this is wrong if you are open to listen to me. Okay, and starting up in here, this is right. This is the correct way. So we are going to, somebody just type on the other streaming platform, oh my gosh, then I did everything wrong. Don't worry, we are here to learn, right? So high to low, low to high, high to low, low to high, high to low, low to high. I'm just connecting highs and lows. High to low, low to high. And remember, after the high, the next one must be a low. A trend is a sequence, right? What does this mean, a trend is a sequence, everybody? If this is a low, right? If this is a low, I need to check if this one is a high, because after the low, you know, what must come? A high must come, right? So highs and lows, highs and lows. Now, let me see, high 102.340, and this is 102.6. So, everybody, a trend is a sequence, right? Okay, now, listen to me very carefully, everybody. The only reason I'm not going to leave this low like this, it's because the next one, this one, it's not a high. Make sense? A trend is a sequence. So, upper band, starting from a high, we had a low. After the low, we had a high. After the high, we had a low. After the low, we had a high. See, everybody, it's always the same. We are not breaking any rules. After the high, we had a low. After the low, we had a high. After the high, we had another low. After this low, we had another high. And now we have another low, but there are no highs, right? Now, because there is no high, everybody, you know, if I focus, everybody, calm down. If I leave this high, if I leave this low like it is, and if I, oh, but this is a low. Yes, it is. Focus. Focus, everybody. If this is a low and somebody is yelling at me, yes it is, yes it is. If this is a low and if I do something like this, can you understand that this is wrong, everybody? Boss, why is this wrong? Because the trend is a sequence of highs and lows, and if I leave this low, and it is a low, make no mistakes, it is a low. If I leave this low like it is and I connect this high, then I'm breaking the rule of the sequence. Why? Because we have another low down in here. Should we connect high and low until the last high low? Absolutely yes, Joy. Everybody, this is so important to understand. A trend is a sequence of highs and lows, okay? And if I chart highs and lows like this would be wrong. What is the logic behind? Because I'm leaving this low out. Do we agree, everybody, that the rectangle it's a low before the high? Type in the chat, yes I agree, or type in the chat, no I don't agree. Freedom, can you repeat please? Yes sir. A trend is a sequence of highs and lows, and if I chart like this, then I'm charting in the wrong way, because I'm leaving the low, red rectangle, I'm leaving the low out. So I'm breaking the rule of the trade is a sequence. Make sense, everybody? Joy says yes it is. Yes, agreed. Okay. So we are going to move this low, charting, right? We are going to move this low down to this low. We are not going to consider this low. Even if somebody is yelling at me, oh, but it's a low. Yes, it is, but we are not going to consider it, because the trend is a sequence of highs and lows. That being clarified, everybody. Somebody's asking, is this Elliott wave? No, sir. This is not Elliott wave. This is just how to chart the trend. After the low must come a high. After the high must come what? Another low. A trend is a sequence. Color code this in red again. Okay, after the low, what must come? After the low we must find a high. After the high we must find the low. It's a sequence. After the low we must find the high, low, high, low. Everybody, see, is this low the correct low, or is this low the correct low? I'm going to leave it to you, everybody. Which one is the low of the trend? Is this a low that symbolizes the sequence of the trend, everybody? Question for you, everybody. Is the first circle the correct low that symbolizes the sequence of the trend, or is the second low the correct low that symbolizes the continuation, the sequence of the trend? Julius says, boss, could you be so kind to write it down for us about the trend? Second low, second low, second low. Very good. Excellent. The second low, very good. Boss, could you be so kind and write down for us? Sure. A trend is a sequence of highs and lows, so text. There you go. Text, text, text. Okay. A trend is a sequence of highs and lows. Okay. Meaning after every high the next one must be a low, and after every low the next one must be a high. And if you did everything wrong, don't worry, this is how we learn. Okay, Julius, take a screenshot, picture, photo, everybody. Okay. Two lessons today, everybody. Two key lessons. Lesson number one, everything starts from the monthly bands. Okay. Everything starts from the monthly bands. Even if you are trading on the 15-minute chart, daily chart, weekly chart, everything starts from the monthly bands. If you can open your mind and understand this, everything is going to change for you in your trading. And now the next one, talking about trading. This is why some of you, it's normal, all normal part of growing up as a trader. This is why some of you are losing money, you know. Trading, golden nugget, we're calling this golden nuggets, secrets, not really secrets, trading golden nugget. Not every high and or low is relevant. Wow, right? Isn't this great information, everybody? Not everything that you see on the chart it's relevant to trading. Maybe you put a stop loss on a low that's not relevant for the trend. Maybe you put a stop loss on a high thinking, oh, this is the high of the trend. Maybe the high that you put the stop loss, it's not relevant, everybody. Okay? To determine, we're going to write this in general, to determine patterns. Okay? A trend is a pattern, and Julius is asking for picture, so let's do this like this, everybody, and bold like this. So this would be wrong, right? Boss, but it's a low. Yes, it is, but it's not relevant. Okay, take a screenshot, everybody. Take a screenshot, take a picture, you know, make a photo, print it out, and learn. Not every high or low is relevant. What does this mean? Not important. Not important, not relevant. To determine patterns, we are looking for trends. So the first low, congratulations to all of you, everybody. The correct answer is the second circle. So the first circle, the first low, it's not even a low, right? It's not even a low. Thank you very much. It's not even a low, you know. It's not even a low, everybody. Okay. And the second. Oh, I'm sorry, I cannot understand how to identify it's relevant or not. Just follow the rules, Joy. Okay. So I just did a mistake, everybody. See, this is not a low. Pay attention, everybody. Nobody said, oh, but this is not a low. It's not a central candle with two candles on the left and two candles on the right. Okay, pay attention. This is not even a low. So high to low, low to high, high to low, low to high. Somebody just type, okay, everybody who is watching on YouTube, please type in the chat done so we can move forward. Take a screenshot, make a photo, whatever. Type in the chat done so we can move forward, everybody. Yes, highs and lows. When charting highs and lows, you must pay attention to chart a sequence. Joyce is done, thank you very much. Okay, everybody? Charting concept, when you chart a trend, when you are connecting highs and lows, okay, you must pay attention to chart a sequence. So high to low, low to high, high to low, low to high. If you find any mistakes in my charting, feel free to say it on the chat. High to low, right? Now this would be high to low, low to high. Okay, now next, where is the polyline? Polyline, there you go. High to low, low to high, high to low, low to high, high to low, low to high, high to low, low to high. Agreed? Agreed, everybody? High to low. Is this a low? Where is the widget? Widget again, widget. Is this a low? What is the low? 91,092, 91,003. 03, low 91,09, and this is 91,03, so this is not a low. Okay, high to low, so this is not a low. Everybody, this is a low, right? Low to high, high to low, right? This is not a high, everybody, right? This is not a high. Okay, now this would be an example, right? That not all highs and lows are relevant. Okay, now this would be an example here again, one more time. This is a low, right? But because this one it's not a high and the next one it's another low, you know, I need to do something like this. Everybody, is it understandable what we just did? Joy's asking, is that a high? Would you be more specific? Which one? Everybody, is it understandable what we just did? So one more time. Are we in an uptrend or are we in a downtrend? Hi everyone, please, if you like what you're learning, let's give it a like. Thank you very much, Julius. Golden nugget for the beginner traders. This is why you might be losing. You might be charting in the wrong way. You might chart high to low, low to high, which is not, and high to low, and then do something like this, just an example. You might do something like this. Let's make it bolder. And you might be thinking, oh, this is a 75, this is a 50% uptrend. You did a charting mistake, charting error, not a problem. Pat yourself on the back, we've all been there. Mike, it's a downtrend, so it's forming a high then. Yes, it's forming a high. Okay, everybody? So the violet, it's wrong. The red one is correct. Okay. I cannot chart another high until it's formed. Make sense, everybody? Okay. Now here is the interesting part. If you are in a downtrend, making lower lows, lower highs, why are you buying AUD CAD? 100% downtrend. Yes, Joy. Downtrend. Yes, Mike. Correct. Make sense, everybody? The candles are moving up and you are buying, right? But you are going, in this specific example, if you buy right now, right? If you buy right now, and don't mix apples with bananas, if you buy the monthly chart right now, is this high probability or low probability? Oh, I'm right and you are wrong. There is no right or wrong in the markets. You are going to learn this concept. There is no right or wrong. You have two different traders. One is buying, going long. The other one is selling, going short. Both can win or both can lose. So if you are buying the monthly chart AUD CAD because, oh, it's moving up, Is this high probability or is this low probability? It's a retracement rate. Yes, it is. Catching short on trend, high risk. Exactly, high risk, low probability. Very good, everybody. Okay, did anybody did any homework? So you can type in the chat AUDJPY, downtrend, Canada CHF, uptrend, USD CAD, downtrend, whatever. No, I'm making up my mind. I'm not saying that this is. Did anybody want to check any homeworks, everybody? Okay, so AUD CAD, it's in a downtrend. Okay, now if I clone AUD CAD, everybody, and I go on the weekly chart, is this the correct trend? Type in the chat, yes or no. I just charted the monthly trend. Now I'm on the weekly chart. Is this the correct trend, everybody? Is this the correct trend? What is the correct answer? Type in the chat, everybody. Is this the correct trend? Joy, how about USDJPY? You tell me, everybody, is USDJPY monthly chart in an uptrend or downtrend? USDJPY uptrend on the monthly. Jordanka says yes, it's correct. Joy says yes too. Anybody else? I charted the monthly trend on the monthly chart. Now I cloned the chart and I changed from monthly to weekly. Is this the correct trend, everybody? Jordanka says yes. Joe, yes. Wisdom, yes. Julius, I'm going to push your ears. Is this the is this the correct trend, Julius? And if the answer is wrong, 10 push-ups for you, Julius. Right now? Yes, right now. Julius, is this the correct trend on the weekly? Julius got scared. And then we're going to check USDJPY and Julius, is this the correct trend? We have more fluctuations on the monthly. Well, it's really vice versa. You have more fluctuations on the lower time frames, Jordanka. Julius, is this trend correct on the weekly? No, it's not, everybody. I use my crystal ball. Very good. Everybody, this is not correct. Okay? I'm going to save you tons of money if you are willing to listen to me. I promise you. Okay? You must learn, everybody, that every single time frame has its own specific patterns. Okay, and we are talking about trends today. Everybody, time frame typo, time frame. Charting concept, take a picture. Every single time frame has its own specific patterns. Sometimes they overlap, yes sir, but sometimes they do not. If you connect highs and lows on the monthly chart and then you go on the weekly and you have the same highs and lows, this is not correct, everybody. This is not correct. Make sense? So everything starts from the monthly bands. We have the monthly band. We are on the weekly chart. Yes, we're going to check, everybody. Just give me a second, okay? Then we're going to check AUD JPY and USD JPY, okay? So look what I'm doing if I'm leaving the monthly highs and lows. Okay, we're going to make this yellow, and then we're going to make like this and transparent. Okay, so the yellow is the monthly. Now sequence high to low, there is no low, this is the low. Low to, there is no high, not a high, this is not a high. Low to high. Look in here, everybody. High to low, it's a low. Do we have a high? No, we don't have. It's like this. Low to high. Now it starts diverging. The weekly trend starts diverging. It's becoming something different. If you find a mistake, tell me. Type in the chat. Oh, this is not the correct high, this is not the correct low. Okay? From the beginning, the red, the weekly, and the yellow, the monthly, they were overlapping, but now we have a change. High to low, low to high. It's a sequence. High to low, low to high. Right? Not sure about this one. Let me check if this is a low. The blue one, what is the low? 105.237, 105.27, 23, 27, 23. Okay, so this is, whoops. So the, come on, polyline. So this is a low, right? And this is a high. Right? So it's something different. Make sense, everybody? Boss, what has this to do? Everything. 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 You would not trade. This is just hopefully not too difficult to understand. You would not trade the monthly chart and the weekly chart in the same way in this circle. Why not? Because the yellow line is pushing up, it's showing you an uptrend, and the red line is showing you something different, which is called consolidation. And today we're going to talk about market behaviors, everybody. Okay, so some of you beginner traders, pat yourself on the back. You just never, it's not your fault, you just never learned how to chart in the correct way. Every specific time frame has its own specific patterns, uptrend, downtrends, consolidations. Is that central candle, should we have two candles on the left, two candles on the right? Ah, we have one, congratulations. Joy is asking about the white one, if I'm not mistaken. Joy, if you're asking about this high, yes, it's still higher. Can you say, Joy? I'm not sure if you what high you're asking. So this candle, it's a high. It has two candles on the left, two candles on the right, and this two is a high. Okay, everybody, don't try to learn and try not to do these mistakes. Charting mistakes cost you money. Okay, charting mistakes cost us money. Okay, the short-term trend on the weekly chart, it's quite different than the short-term trend on the monthly chart. I mean, look how many low highs and lows do we have. Just quickly, because we're almost out of time, you know, high to low, where is the low? Low in here. High to low, low to high, high to low, low to high, high. Can you see, everybody, the difference? The monthly was pushing up, but the weekly was pushing down too. You had retracements. And this is one of the reasons why we as beginner traders lose. I mean the low. And then we're going to check AUD JPY, Mike's AUD JPY. Yes, the low is still, I just checked it, this is the correct low. Okay, AUD JPY, Mike, AUD JPY, I'm trying to find AUD uptrend on the monthly. Okay, uptrend on the monthly. Mike is saying on the monthly we have the uptrend. So high to low, low to high, just quickly high to low, low to high, 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 high to low, low to high. Yes sir, Mike said the AUD JPY on the monthly we're in an uptrend. Weekly is in a new downtrend. Okay, so let's go AUD JPY clone. Let's go on the weekly. Let's go on the weekly, everybody. Just quickly, right? We're almost out of time. AUD JPY weekly chart. High to low, low to high, high to low. Yeah, let's make it bolder, bigger. Something like this. High to low, low to high, high to low, low to high, high to low, low to high to low, high, low, high, low, high, low, high, low, high, low, high, low, down in here. Give me a second, everybody. And high, low to high, low, high, low, high, low, high, low. Highs and lows, everybody, not to repeat myself, just quickly. Consolidation, a few highs and lows. I'm not going to chart all of them, just quickly. Just come to the last one. So low, high, low, high, low, high, low, high, low, high, high to low, low, high to low, to high to low. Next high is here, next low is here, next high is here. Just quickly, right? We're almost out of time. High to low, low to high, low, 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 high. And lastly, low to high, high to low, low to high. Very good. Mike said weekly is in a new downtrend. Congratulations. AUD JPY weekly chart, we are in a short-term downtrend. Clara, I'm confused, sir. I thought to get a high or low, yeah, should this candle right and left. Joyce and Clara, we must identify center candle. Yes, there should be two candles on the right and left. Yes, but on the high time frame he did not consider that. Clara, are you talking about AUD JPY? Clara, which one is wrong? AUD JPY monthly chart, higher time frame. Okay, I'm going to draw some circles, Clara. Is the first circle wrong, or is the second circle wrong? Is the third circle wrong? Is the fourth circle wrong? Is the fifth circle wrong? Is the sixth circle wrong? Is the seventh circle wrong? Or is the eighth? Mike, we don't have time, okay? But you are doing it the correct way, Mike. Congratulations to you. Okay, Mike. We are going to check now USD JPY. Joy wants to check USD JPY. Clara, you have 8 circles. Which one would be not correct? In the meantime, everybody, USD JPY. USD JPY monthly chart is USD JPY in an up. I mean, this is a no-brainer, right? Is USD JPY on the monthly chart in an uptrend or downtrend? What's the correct answer, everybody? Is USD JPY in an uptrend or downtrend? And here is even a better question. If USD JPY is in an uptrend, should you buy or should you sell? Should you buy or should you sell, everybody? High to low, low to high, 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 low, high, low, if I'm not mistaken, of course, and then we had no low until up in here. Everybody, USD JPY monthly chart, we are in an uptrend, not downtrend. We learned yesterday what is the definition of the uptrend. You need to have a minimum 2 highs and 2 lows, where the second high and the second low, it's a higher high or higher low. So if you start in here and if you finish up in here, does this look like a downtrend to you, everybody? Sell, exactly. You have an uptrend on the monthly chart, but you should sell, you should short. Okay? Why? One last golden nugget for you, everybody, before we finish for today. Okay? Between the between the monthly bands and the short-term trend, the monthly bands are stronger. Wow, right? Isn't this great information? Right? Boss, why is nobody teaching this? What can I tell you? People are calling me arrogant. I'm not arrogant, everybody. Why it's nobody teaching this? 95%, 97% of things that you find on the web, not just YouTube, they don't have the education, in my opinion, right? I mean, what do I know, right? Exactly, hit the upper band. See, everybody, don't go long in here anymore. But I'm on the 15-minute chart. Don't go long. You're going to lose everything that you've made, everything that you've earned in this beautiful uptrend, movement, rally. You're going to lose that in here because you don't listen to the concepts and the rules. Still an uptrend. It's an uptrend, but you should not buy because you are the monthly bands. Exactly. Okay, everybody. Market behaviors, right? Okay, you are going to love this too. Okay, give me a second. Okay, let's write this down. You have a tradable market behaviors, and you have a non-tradable market behaviors, or not tradable market behaviors. Okay, and you have less stress behaviors, everybody, and you have more stress behaviors. Label, so behavior that are going to give you more stress. Okay, what are the tradable behaviors of the market that are going to give you less stress, right? What are those? Well, uptrends. The uptrend is a tradable market behavior that is going to give you less stress. Downtrend is a tradable market behavior that is going to give you less stress. Okay, and finally you have consolidation that is going to give you less stress. Those are the tradable market behaviors. Okay, why? Because the market is trending, is doing all the same. Okay, now there is another market behavior that is still tradable, you know, and it's called the pennant, but is going to give you more stress. And there is what we call chaos, not tradable. Don't you dare waste your time and money and energy trading this sucker on the right. This is a non-tradable market behavior. Okay, it's called chaos. Higher time frame control the smaller time frame. Yes. Okay, everybody, don't, if you identify this one, don't trade it, stay out. Okay, not even a professional trader can make money out of this. It's called chaos, or we say, okay, the market is not efficient. Make sense? You can make easy money when you see an uptrend. You can say you can make easy money when you see a downtrend. You can make easy money when you see consolidation. Now the pennant or the wedge is a little bit more complex, right? And you know, make sense, everybody? Okay, everybody, our time is up. See you back tomorrow with another lesson. Till tomorrow, stay strong and trade for freedom. This is FX.